my god, everybody, I'm down $3,122 or 4% on the week. That is probably one of the worst weeks I've seen yet. Probably as a dollar standpoint, I mean, I think I've seen my portfolio fall more than 4% like year to date, but wow, that is a big fall. Overall, I'm still up 7% or $5,000, $5,100, and on the year I'm still up about $9,300. So I'm still up 13%. It'll really be a tell if this is just a, this is just a little speed bump, or if we're gonna go into a little bit of a correction. So yeah, pretty crazy actually. This week we have quite a few notable buys in my portfolio. For starters, we have Brookfield Corp, which I made a little post on Blossom. This is the net asset value is more expensive than shares outstanding, or the price of it. So price to net asset value, Brookfield should be on a price to net asset value about $77 per share. This was based on an article that I read, and I do like the company. I was going to buy Brookfield. I was actually going to put Brookfield Asset Manager, BAM, but Brookfield Corp actually owns 75% of BAM shares. So I'm just going to buy the overarching company here, not just one piece of it. So that's why I did go with Brookfield Corp instead of BAM, so which was a REIT. Very cool. Renewable power sector, I was kind of looking into that because everything's moving towards energy, so I feel like the energy sector, especially over the next 10 years, is going to get very big, but it will get big in a renewable way, so that is a long-term play, just like everything else in my portfolio. As well as about $4,000 in Brookfield, which I'm already down 8%. Fantastic. We're going to scroll down to XEQT, which I bought another 50 shares, or about $1,000 worth, because I felt bad that I bought Brookfield without putting more into my ETF. Yeah, I got $14,000 in XEQT, which is almost completely flat. Out of $14,000, we're actually up $5. So that's coming down too, and it's coming down a little slower than our overall portfolio, and we're gonna go into a little more depth onto why, mostly in the FANG stocks. This was Google, Intel had a really rough week too, Meta had a pretty rough week, and Microsoft I think had one of the worst weeks yet. I'm pretty sure that was down about 8%, so which is almost as much as Tesla, which was down like 10%. Been a rough week. Nexus REITs has been falling. I'm down 20% on this position. Again, I am looking for about 650, so we're gonna hold off on NXR. Yeah, and I'm just looking into XEQT. I would love to buy more XEQT, but I will be putting that money in when I can buy Berkshire Hathaway B shares at a price to book ratio of about 1.21, 1.25, about 1.25. I really do. I see Berkshire Hathaway buybacks when it is about 1.22, 1.21, so we'll see. I really like to buy Berkshire Hathaway, and I do think that's going to land the stock at about $300 per share. So when Berkshire Hathaway is $300 per share, you will see me buy Berkshire Hathaway and XEQT in a very big way. Yeah, anyways, that's it for this week. I still have $8,700, so just shy of $9,000. Next week I do my dividend portfolio. Tomorrow I do my penny stock portfolio, which I did make a buy this week, and we'll see how that went. Currently, I do believe that my penny stock portfolio is still down, but less down than this portfolio, which is kind of funny to see. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye now.